Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and adab. Welcome to the online class of class 6 arranged by Samsul Haqqan School and College English version. This is Antora Bormon with you, the assistant teacher of Bangladesh and Global Studies, Samsul Haqqan School and College English version. Today's topic is Chapter 5, and the name of this chapter is Society of Bangladesh. The lessons are concept of society, impact of natural and geographical environment on social life, concept of society. So some important line of this lesson are man is a social being. From the primitive period, men were living together. As a result, friendship, kin relationships, social relationships like help and cooperation, sympathy, and mutual reliance develop among them. Human race living together in harmony is called society. So I have given you some questions, and they are: what is called society? What do you mean by social relationships? Here you can see a picture. There are some organizations. Some small institutions and organizations are the parts of a society. So the question is for you that write the name of some institution of a society. So we notice the tendency of living together not only among human beings but also among animals and insects. They are like the honeybee and the ant. The mammoth. There you can see two pictures. They are the pictures of family. One is small family and another is large family. So family is the first phase of forming a society. Before there was nothing like a family, but people felt the necessity of living together to collect food and save themselves from the attack of ferocious animals. So man formed family, clan, community, and nation. Large society emerged from small units. Now we will focus on the characteristics of a society. So how many features or characteristics of a society are there? There are two. The first one is man lives together. The second one is there are purposes behind his living together. Again, I have given you some questions. The first one is, why do animals and insects live together? What is the first phase of forming a society? How was a society formed? Write the characteristics of a society. Now we will read the lesson 2, and the title is Impact of Natural and Geographical Environment on Social Life. So some important lines from this lesson are: human life is influenced and controlled by the natural and geographical environment. Man also influences the environment sometimes. That's why the impact of environment is important in every way. Okay, there are some pictures. The first one is showing you the Indus civilization. You can see here the Indus Valley civilization and the Mohenjo-daro, Harappa. You can also see the Himalayas and the Bay of Bengal. So the middle parts are definitely the Bangladesh. And besides this, there are another picture of Mesopotamian civilization. Then there is another two picture. One is Egyptian civilization and another is also about the Indus civilization. So what is the common things about these pictures? Every pictures has a river. So this civilization has developed on the bank of river. Rivers simplify human lifestyle. Different civilization developed on the river bank in Asia. The occupations of the people depend on the natural resources of that region. Here you can see a picture of a person selling the fishes. So there are 500 species of fish in the Bay of Bengal. So many people from Cox's Bazar are fishermen. So this is another example. We know the Bay of Bengal is enriched with salt. So salt industry actually developed in Cox's Bazar. So there is a picture of salt farming in Cox's Bazar. And another thing is, as it is a tourist spot, so there are many hotels and motels there. So hotel management business developed in Cox's Bazar. Now we will see the impact on industries. So there is a picture of a weaver who is weaving a sari. So because of riverine area and favorable climate, the famous Dhakai Jamdani sari is woven at Damra in Dhaka. So there is a map showing this area. Another example is silk industries. Silk industries established in Rajshahi as mulberry trees grow there. So what is the relation between silk industries and mulberry trees? Because the silk won't grow in the mulberry trees, so the mulberry trees is very much important for the silk industries. So there is a picture showing all the process and there are some red arrows, so you can easily understand the process one next to another. So you can have a look on this picture. Okay, the next one is there are three pictures. Can you guess what are they? Okay, they are the Shital Pati of Sylhet, Cham Cham of Porabari, muslin cloths of Sonargaon. Now we will see the impact on dress and dowling. So first of all we will see the impact on dress. There are three pictures. These pictures showing the three conditions of the weather and climate like hot, cold and rainy. The first picture is showing you about the hot weather, then the cold or winter, then the rainy. So this weather and climate, it actually changing your lifestyle and your dress style. There are some pictures of buildings in towns, villages, deserts and hilly areas and also the area of snowfall. Now these pictures representing a district and the district is Narayanganj. Industrialization and urbanization develop easily where there is advanced transportation. So I think now you know why Narayanganj is a industrialized and urbanized city. So again some questions for you from lesson 2. First one, write the names of the major civilization along with the names of the rivers which developed in Asia. Second one, how does occupation depend on the natural resources? Third one, geographical environment has impact on the development of cottage industries. Explain with an example. Fourth one, where do the weavers of the famous Dhakai sari live in? Fifth one, what is Poravari famous for? Sixth one, where is the famous muslin industry situated? Next one is, which cloth do the people of tropical regions put on? The last one, why do some people make their houses with bamboo and oats? So that's all for today. Thank you for joining the class and watching this video. So now it's time to say you bye. Bye bye everyone. Stay safe at home.